Morning guys. Supposed to have an early morning. Today is Thursday, by the way. I didn't vlog yesterday because I literally didn't leave my house. I was just home, nothing much. I slept quite late last night and I really wanted to get some work done, but it looks like I'm gonna have to do that outside today. I don't want to do my makeup. I just feel like doing my brows and calling it a day because I don't know, my skin looks really good. Everything else, so I just have like a small meeting. I'm super excited for all the content I have planned remainder of this month and next month. Like super exciting. I plan on filming an updated like sister tag with my sister. I wanted to give it like a different twist. Last time we just sat and we were talking and I was thinking, should we just sit down and do our makeup this time? But then I was also thinking, that's it, let me just So the cool thing about this gadget, what it basically does is just depuffs. It helps your skin like absorb the product better, and then it also helps with like lymphatic drainage and where the knots are, like at your temples and at your clavicle. So you need to like bring it down. But obviously like the motion you do it is, you don't want to be like dragging downwards because your skin is gonna get wrinkles and whatnot. That's that. Yeah guys, I don't think I'm gonna wear makeup today. I'm gonna sit somewhere and I'm gonna go work. I actually look healthy. So I'm gonna get dressed and then I'll see you. So I'm finally ready. It's kind of dark. Anyway, I'm ready. This is my outfit. I decided to wear my blouse. I really love this blouse actually. It has like a tie front and it has like, I forgot what this print is called. Paisley print. And then my black skirt and then just slides headed. I just want to go do my work, so that's my Uber. Hey guys, today is Monday. Yesterday was Eid. I really wanted to vlog Eid, but as you guys know, I really regard my family moments and my special moments, so I just really wanted to enjoy that separately without like shoving a camera in front of everyone's face and everything. I just wanted to enjoy the time with my family. Maybe in the future one day I would like to share those moments with you, but yeah, yesterday was Eid. I just hanged out with my family, went to go grab some food. Basically that's it. I have a shoot today with Andrew. We've been meaning to shoot for the longest time, but we just never got around shooting, so that's what we're gonna do now. Today, what time is it? It's kind of 2 p.m. I really want to film a video before I get going. I am wearing contacts. Yeah, basically that's all I've been up to. I really wanted to get my henna done this year. Like the whole of this year, both Eids, like the one after Ramadan, I never got my henna done, and I really wanted to get it done the second Eid. But I just never got the chance to be honest. And by the time I was making that decision, it's too late. Everywhere else was booked and everything. And I was like, maybe I will do it myself soon because I haven't had henna in a while. Actually, most times I don't go anywhere to get it done. Only when I have like a family wedding is when I get it done for me. But during Eid, I usually do it myself because I don't like intricate designs. I like very simple, minimal henna looks. I think I've caught you guys up. I'm just gonna go do the rest of my face and then I will catch you guys today, I promise. Narudi after Nimal is there. So I managed to get ready. And this is the look I did, very natural. Just the gloss. And this is my outfit. I'm wearing a couple of chains. This really lovely lilac top that I've been meaning to photograph. And then my black wrap skirt, which I think I'm gonna wear sneakers with this because we're headed to Rivers. And it gets tiring walking around. So we made it to Rivers, hella packed, but I'm here with Andrew. Say hi. And we're shooting portraits with this new lens, so it's pretty exciting actually. It's my fit for the day. So me and Andrew, it does. So me and Andrew had planned to come here like literally last week on a Monday, and it didn't click on us. It's gonna be public holiday, Eid, and so many people here watching, and it's very awkward, but we needed to get this done. So everyone's just watching us take. The funny part is everyone's coming up to Andrew and they're like, are you a photographer? Can you take photos of us? It's like, I'm a personal photographer. I do shit for myself. I feel like you're slandering. I was talking about how everyone's coming up to you and talking about how
chukua picha tafadhali. How much? But yeah, we're practically done anyway. But we got good shots. We did. We're just waiting for it to get a little bit dark, and then we can head over to the eye, yes, and do nice photos as well. Everyone is just staring at me talking to a camera, but look who's vlogging in public, me. Oh my god, so I just got home. Today was a good day. It was very impromptu because, like I said, yesterday was Eid, but today was a public holiday on Monday, so people were still celebrating. That kind of left my mind, but we went to shoot and we still managed to get a few shots right, thank god. Otherwise it would have been a complete waste, but it was so packed. But I came back home actually a few hours ago and I'm currently trying to edit. I just want to tell you guys how good of a makeup day today is, and I've known the secret. The secret is less foundation. I didn't use concealer, I just used the foundation all over my face and then just added a little bit here, but not too much. And I don't have smile lines, I don't have I haven't wrinkled, and creases under my eye has been an issue for me a lot, but I'll find a way to fix that. Anyway, since today was Monday, like I said, today was a very impromptu. I haven't planned for my week, so that's what I want to do now. I have a couple of meetings scheduled for tomorrow and Thursday, and I don't know what's gonna happen in between Wednesday and Friday. I know I have a meeting on Thursday around noontime, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so with my filming and everything, I like to put all my working stuff over the weekdays so that I'm busy during the weekdays and I'm not just lazing around and doing nothing, you know what I mean? So I would dedicate a few days into filming, either it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday filming, straight up filming content, both IG and Instagram. Not directly just filming, but I would curate it, if you know what I mean. I would also plan down if this is what I want to do, blah blah blah. That's what I do. Then the remaining days I just set out to edit most of the stuff. So it be the the videos, or the content on Instagram, IGTV videos, regular videos, Insta stories, or just basically just planning ahead of the type of content I want to put out. I don't know, I feel that works best for me than just doing it on the run. So once I get that out of the way, then I have my weekends like everyone else, where I get to relax, chill, watch a couple movies, you know what I mean, hang out with friends and all that stuff. For me, I find that much more better than pushing my work into Saturday, Sunday when everyone else is relaxing and then want to really take this makeup off. But I will see you guys later when I take this off, or if I don't bring you guys along, I will see you guys casual because I'm vlogging this whole week. But yeah, morning guys. So today is Tuesday and I have a meeting. I just want to film a few IGTV videos. I feel I haven't done an IGTV video in a while, in a hot second, so I want to do that. Probably do two separate ones and just stock them and then upload them whenever I want, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's my plan today, to be honest. Just edit, whatever, chill, relax, and I will see you guys when I'm back. A toothache and it's the worst thing ever. Good morning guys. Wednesday. I have a hella plan today. My room is a mess, so that's the first thing we're tackling. I popped a pimple yesterday, that's why it's kind of pink. Don't mind me. First gonna tackle my bathroom because yesterday when I left a little mess. See? So what we're gonna do is fix that. Basically, this is not the life I signed up for, but I'm just gonna time lapse you guys as I clean this. Okay, let me turn off my podcast. Okay, so I just finished cleaning my bathroom, like the sink area. That's where the most issue was. At least I feel better now. Now I'm gonna tackle this room before I get to filming. I really want to come back to a nice room later. I'm going out for dinner at Honey and Dough. I'm going back there. I really want to go to Inti, but I should have reserved Inti instead. Anyway, that's issue ya squingine. I want to clean up a bit. I have like a lot of clothes running around. This is mainly because of my filming and I didn't clean up that well. I just threw like clothes on the ground and I was so tired by nighttime. Like I even slept before taking off my makeup, and then I woke up like at 3 a.m. and I was like, oh my god, I still have makeup on my face, and I took it off. Anyway, that's what I want to do right now. Just clean up a bit, organize a bit of my makeup, and then yeah, let's do this. Hey guys, I know I left yesterday like so abruptly after cleaning. I was going out for dinner, so what I did was I filmed the look that I was wearing, and then I just dressed up and then I just left without checking in. Sometimes, you know, the way you just don't feel like carrying a camera around, especially around people or moments you just want to cherish. So that's why I didn't vlog last night, but I came back home and I was super tired and I didn't have the guts. I took off my makeup in like 3.7 seconds. I've been suffering from insomnia lately, which is super sad. So getting me to sleep has become such a hard chore. Anyway, I'm headed off to a meeting. That's why I'm here getting ready. I'm probably late. I'm so sorry. I haven't, oh my god, I almost pinched my eye. I haven't even like done my makeup. I'm just wearing brows and a little bit of concealer on my top lid, and now I'm doing mascara. Yeah, let me put on a little bit of blush. Actually, I love blush. I don't know if I should do like a red lip or like a gloss, because I've been loving these YSL like glosses. Plus I'm not wearing a lot of blush either, just a little bit. Obsessing with these YSL gloss Philipped glosses. This is in the shade 30. It's like a very nice, I love this smell. This one is more like almost a clear goldy shade with like gold fleck. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's like very golden. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a red lipstick. I'm gonna do red because I don't have any makeup on. The gloss looks like I'm just wearing Vaseline. I'm just wearing Vaseline. This is the Morphe Mega Matte Lips. I love these lipsticks and the shade Dominate. So what I will do is just do okay, that's cute. I love it when I have like no makeup on and then I wear like a red lip. I don't know, it just looks super nice. And this calls for more blush. I like it when so every time I wear a lipstick I pack on the blush, because for me it feels like the balance is not there sometimes. No, I don't need anything on my lid. So that's it guys, I will see you guys at my meeting. Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Sunday, end of this week. Whoop whoop. Super excited actually. I haven't been bowling in a hot minute and I'm seeing my friends that I haven't seen in a while and everything. I just did like a small natural beat. I might wear a red lipstick, I don't know, depending on the hoo-ha of the day. But this is my outfit. I really like wearing square scarves this day, especially this one. It's very Versace vibes. So I've been wearing this. I'm wearing my Justin Bieber merge t-shirt and then just like some straight-legged jeans that I need to go get rid of the waist from because it doesn't fit on the waist, so I have to like wear a belt. It's kind of tiring to be honest. Anyway, I'm just waiting for them to come pick me up and then I'll be ready and then we can... I didn't vlog yesterday. I'm so sorry, by the way. I forgot to mention that because I didn't do anything all day. Literally, I was just home all day. You know, just chilled, watched a bunch of shows, didn't do much. To be honest, didn't do much. So that's it. But I am taking with you guys right now, so I'm excited to see you guys in review. Of a Beyonce video. This is child music video, but like a halal version. Alright guys, I'm just gonna sign out this vlog right here right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this very long week of vlogging. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do. I will really appreciate that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.